Hey guys, and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Glam Bag Plus and my Glam Bag Regular for June of 2022. So this is the Show Your Colors theme for this month. So I actually really like that. Summer state of mind. Savor every moment, starting with your beauty looks. Pops of color, fruit-inspired details, styles that keep you feeling and looking cool. We can't wait to see your creations. So, of course, thank you so much to Ipsy for sending this to me as always. The bag is actually really cute. I love how there's a little watermelon on here. Or, well, this isn't a watermelon. This is like an orange slice. But, super cute. And then the popsicle bag, which is also super cute. If you don't like this bag specifically, this is actually a cute little like gift to give someone who's a lot younger, say like elementary, middle, high school even, for like, you know, putting little snackies in here and put them in the back seat of your car and stuff. I don't know, it's like a cute little summer bag. But anyways, if you're into these types of videos for me, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me. And let's go ahead and see what I got in my bags. Also, right off the bat, I changed my camera settings just a little bit, so I don't know exactly how this is going to look once I'm editing the video, so hopefully it looks okay. But everything looks very much more true to tone, so hopefully, you know, that will help. But anyways, let's go with the regular Glam Bag first. Super cute. Love it so much. Very first product in here is one product that I'm so excited about. So we got a little sample of the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Now, this is a very expensive primer, but everybody has said that this is literally like the best primer. But they also have the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, which is $10, which is my personal favorite, and I have been using nonstop since I got it sent to me in PR. But I'm wearing it today under all of this, but this is the more expensive of that. So I want to compare on my own time because they're like apparently such a good dupe that even like maybe even e.l.f. is better, but clearly it's like well over half the price. So I'm really excited to see how this compares to the other one, but this has been like everyone's holy grail, so I'm really excited to actually have it and try it. Next up we have Dew of the Gods Froze Mini Iced Rose Body Scrub. So this is really interesting. This is going to be cute for exfoliating if you're putting like a self-tanner on or you're exfoliating before you go lay out. It feels very like it's gonna, I can't tell you if it's gonna be hydrating, but it feels liquidy but yet crunchy at the same time, so it's gonna really give a nice spread one-time use for this. You might even, if you're just centralizing a part of your body, you might be able to use this twice, but probably only once. But you know, you'll get to be able to try it and stuff. Next up we have a short shadow brush from LaRousse. I really like the color of this. They're very expensive brushes, and I don't think that they're horrible quality. I just feel like they're overpriced. Like I don't really know what that's about. Look, my focus isn't really working well, but I do like this color gray. I really love gray. This is like one of my favorite color of gray. So, yeah, I don't really think they're worth the money, but they are really good brushes, and I do like getting them in my Ipsy. And then I also have from Bad Habits, you can't wash away those 2 a.m. texts, but you should still wash your face. Oh my god. Wake Things Up Matcha and Mint Morning Cleanser. Okay, that description made me smile. It made me really happy. So, yeah, that makes me want to use it. Put a small amount into wet hands, rub together into a light lather, let mint and neroli energize your senses while massaging onto damp skin, rinse well. This sounds like it's going to be a good morning cleanser, something to really boost and wake you up. Lastly, in the regular Glam Bag, I received the Tarte Maneater Little Mascara. Let me show you what it looks like. This is actually a really good mascara that I have used in the past for bottom lashes and even connecting false lashes with my real lashes or volumize mascara, and then this for length. It's actually really, really good. So if you guys haven't tried it and you get this, you're going to be really happy with that mascara. Next up, we're going to go in with the Glam Bag Plus. There's some very exciting products in here, like this cute little pack of Hip Dot mini sponges. This is going to be perfect for concealing under your eyes. If you're somebody who likes to sit down and do very creative looks, like with artistry paint, Lady Gaga's coming out with a bunch of paints, Halsey's brand About Face has a bunch of paints, and plus body paint that you can get, you know, anywhere else or whatever you want. These little sponges are going to be perfect for that, because you're, you know, when you're shading in different colors, if you're learning how to contour and you don't want to mess up, you know, by putting bronzer and blush and highlighter and concealer all on the same sponge, you can, you know, have each one for something specific as you're learning how to blend out when you contour your face. And then obviously you can just use these for whatever you want. These are actually also good for doing nail polish designs and stuff. So it's really good to have a cute little 5-pack, plus the colors are cute. So I'm just like seeing all the different options that I can use these for. But those are just some suggestions if you know, didn't know what to use tiny little sponges for. Next up, from Dr. Zenobia, this is a hormonal dermatology product. Essentials, hyaluronic acid plus peptide serum, Regulate 360 complex antioxidants, firms, nourishes, plumps, and tones skin. Firms, nourishes, plumps, and tones skin is a description that makes me happy. Anything that firms or anything like that and plumps your skin, nice glass. Oh my gosh, okay. This is going to be a really good product that I am very excited to use. Clinical grade plumping hydration. I don't think I have anything quite like this, so I'm very excited to try. Clinical grade fractioned hyaluronic acid provides deep nourishing hydration, while a powerful peptide complex helps to visibly firm, plump, and tone skin for a youthful, radiant appearance. So how to use: after cleansing and toning, pump serum onto fingertips and apply to face and neck. Gently massage into skin in circular motions. Use once or twice daily for external use only. Oh look, Amityville, New York. Interesting. Okay, so I'm excited about that. Next up, I got a tinted lip balm. It's called For Wednesdays Pink from Elle in Argent. This is just a lip balm, I guess. Yeah. Ooh, okay, so it's purple packaging. I know I've seen this brand in like silver packaging before. So yeah, For Wednesdays, and it's pink. Oh, and this is actually super cute. You can see that there's bubbles on top of the lipstick, and actually there's a hair on it, but that's probably just dust. But the bubbles that's on it is just like the oils in it from, you know, the heat and stuff, so you don't have to worry about like, oh my god, what are all these little bubbles all over the lipstick. It's just the oils because, you know, it's hot outside. And it doesn't have a scent, and since it's a tinted lip balm, it's probably not going to have much of a color payoff. Plus my hands are really tan right now. Yeah, it has a light wash of pink. You can see right there next to my poison ivy. Love that for myself. But yeah, that's actually a really nice little light pink wash of color. And then next up, we have the triple antioxidant face cream from Dr. Brandt. Amazing brand. Apply on cleansed skin AM and PM. Of course, external use only. Keep out of reach of children. Avoid contact with eyes, and yada yada yada. All skin types. So excited to try this. Dr. Brandt is amazing. We love Dr. Brandt on this channel. We always welcome Dr. Brandt products. So good. And then lastly, in the bags, before I show you the extras that Ipsy sent over this month, I have this palette from Ciate London. This is the Cranberry palette. Very excited to see what this looks like in person because it was really pretty online. Well, it looks like it's broken, but you know, yeah. Oh, I just dropped that. Yeah, we're seeing. You hear that? That doesn't sound good. Oh yeah, we are shattered. Totally shattered. Hold on, let me do this so I can kind of show you. Yeah, we are broken, but that's okay. Hopefully yours doesn't come broken. I had mine actually packaged well, so yeah, fingers crossed for you guys. Mine's broken, but that's okay. I'm not going to complain or anything because it was sent to me for free. But if yours comes broken and because you paid for your bags, I definitely would hit up Ipsy on Twitter just as a hey. So that's very unfortunate. But let me show you what Ipsy sent over. So the first thing is this tiny little Pixie Light 2.0. And it has like a little, probably like an Ipsy sticker on it. So let me see. And this is just for like, you know, like a selfie light or whatever. Actually, no, it's like, it's on there in plastic, so it's not cheapened at all. They actually put the logo on there. Super cute. You just clip it on your phone and, oh, it's already charged up. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, off. Maybe, I don't know why you would need that option, but that's cool. Okay, so that's great. Really like that. Front, back, push open, small camera, video light for smart. Yeah, I don't know why it would charge like that, or while it would do that light thing, but okay. And then lastly, I got some more refreshments. Dazzling 5-blade razor kit in pink bubbly. I really like their razors. I only use their razors mostly because I do get them sent to me from time to time. I don't subscribe to refreshments, but if I was to, because I think it's $5 a month, I do really like their razors, and I do like their shaving cream. Those are my favorite things about the refreshments is the razors and the shaving cream. Those are actually really good. I really like those. Gosh, I cannot open this just so I can show you guys. There we go. This is what it looks like. This is magnetic, so you just put this in your shower on the wall, and this will stay put on there because it's a magnet, and then you have your little razors here. So yeah, that is everything for this month. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. What did you get? Let me know in the comments, and yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!